Hello everybody from Grange, everybody of Grange. You might have noticed that I didn't do any head teacher assemblies this Monday, and that was because I was saving it up for today. We are right at the end of the spring term and we're about to come to the break. Now, some wonderful things are happening in the break. There are some really powerful, meaningful, huge festivals that are going to be celebrated in the break. For many of us, we're going to be celebrating Easter. And Easter is a time of hope, of when things seem like they are finished and all hope is lost. There is rebirth and salvation and redemption. So it's an incredible time for many of our Grange community to celebrate Easter. Also, in many of our Sikh community and also some of our Hindu community celebrate Vaisakhi, which is also a wonderful festival full of music and joy and hope and spring and just the future. And then there is also a festival in these holidays, and that is the festival of Passover, or Pesach as it's known. And that is a festival all about, again, when all hope seems lost, when people feel trapped, there is salvation, sometimes miracles, but things open up and there's always hope. And all of these festivals are coming at a specific time. They're coming at a time of the year when it's springtime and when we are just looking outside and seeing green and things growing, even though this morning when we looked out the window, it was snowing, which in itself felt like a miracle. It's also going to be the start of the holy month of Ramadan during the holidays, and that will be a very meaningful and powerful festival experience for many of our community as well. And when we're coming back, we're going to celebrate Eid together at Grange, which is just wonderful. But one of the things that we need to do before the break is we need to have some form of an Easter egg hunt. And people love that, and we often have treasure hunts at Grange, but this year we're starting a Grange tradition which is slightly different. What we're going to do is each class, every child's got an Easter egg. Every child is going home with an Easter egg today, but tomorrow in classes there's a bigger Easter egg, and the children are going to have to hide that Easter egg inside their class when teacher is not looking, and then teacher's going to start the clock and teacher is going to have to find that egg. And we're going to record the times and see who will be the teacher who wins the Great Grange Easter Egg competition. So look out for the announcement of who the winner is tomorrow. But this afternoon, very exciting, in approximately 35 minutes, we're going to have the Let's Localize Great Grange online interclass quiz. And this time the questions are set by Sequel class. Who will be the winners? They get to set the quiz questions for the next half term. So everybody, hope you enjoy your Easter egg today. Hope you have an amazing holiday, whichever festival you're celebrating. Just enjoy spring. May the sun shine for all of us. May there be hope in our lives. And also let's look out to see who's going to be the teacher champion in the Great Grange traditional Easter egg treasure hunt, which is slightly different to the way many other schools run it. Have a wonderful holiday that is coming up very soon.